How to upload videos on Snapchat from computer. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to upload videos to Snapchat directly from your laptop or computer using the Snapchat web platform. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open any of the search engine and then you gotta go to the search bar and type in Snapchat web. So once you type in Snapchat web, you gotta press enter, and here you can see that this is Snapchat web, and here when you go to the search bar it would say snapchat.com. So what you gotta do is simply edit it and type down my.snapchat.com. Press enter and you will be redirected to this interface that would say post to Snapchat. But first you gotta sign into your account. So simply click on sign in over here, and once you do so, you will be redirected to another interface where you're gonna type down your account credentials. So over here, you're gonna type down your account credentials. Simply type down the username that is of your account, and once you do so, press next. And after that, you're going to type down your account password. And after typing down your password, you will be redirected to another interface. That would look something like this in front of you. So what you're going to do is here, you'll be redirected to the interface of post to Snapchat. So you can drag and drop or select a file to upload. Make sure the photo or video is 5 to 60 seconds and it has the minimum resolution of this. So I'm going to drag and drop one from my computer, and this is the video. So I'm going to drag and drop it over here, and when you go back to Snapchat web uploader, here you can see that the video has been uploaded. It is total 5 seconds video, and then you can customize that whether you want it to send to Spotlight or post as your story or schedule it or save to profile. So over here you're going to select it where you wish to send the video, whether you want it to post to Spotlight, post to my story or schedule. So I'm going to click on post to my story, and you're going to click on this over here, and you can select multiple if you like, and then if you're posting it for the first time from the web interface, you'll be able to see an option that says post to Snapchat. So simply click on post to Snapchat and it will say your post is now live. So you're going to scroll down and you can click on view my posts, and you'll be able to see all of your posts. Here you're going to click on my story. So once you do so, you'll be able to see that here this video is being uploaded to your story. So that is basically how you can upload videos on Snapchat from computer. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.